हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं। हमारे कितने चैप्टर कंप्लीट, आज हमारे 13 चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गए हैं। हाँ, 13वां है शायद। हम्म आज पता नहीं 13वां कि 14वां है। चलो देख लेंगे एपिसोड। रुक जाओ। हाँ, टेक योर टाइम टू थिंक। I used to think that smart people are fast thinker. He think on his feet. He's 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 रियली स्मार्ट। ही पता नहीं ऐसे लगा है पीछे ही के बाद ऐसे, उसको क्या बोलते हैं। ही इज रियली स्मार्ट। आई ट्राइड इट फॉर मैनी ईयर। एवरी टाइम आई फेस्ड अ प्रॉब्लम, डिस्कशन, और व्हेन समवन आस्क मी अ क्वेश्चन आई थॉट क्विक नेचुरली माई फर्स्ट आंसर सक्ड। ड्रीक सीवर, one of my favorite thinker, say he a slow thinker. It's a common belief that your first reaction is the most honest, but I disagree. Your first reaction is usually outdated. Either it's an answer you come up with come up with long ago and now use instead of thinking, or it's triggering a knee-jerk emotion respond to something that happened a long ago. Thinking things through takes time. Every time I give a quick answer, I was not thinking at all. I was impulsive. Drake shiver trained himself not to trust his first thought. That's also what he did when his email consumed too much of his time and attention. Begin a public figure. Drake receive a lot of email from his readers. Most of them contained quick 5-minute question, but as he say, if you get 100 of those questions, that adds up to 8 hours in a day. After answering 90 92 thousand 92,000 email between 20, 20 year 2008 2008 2008 2060 and 2060. Drake knew he needed to do something about it, so he planned to go off the grid like a modern day Henry David through through. I was going to go hardcore, shut off all email and social media and make myself unreachable to all but a few close friends or colleagues. It felt like the only solution. That was first thought, but then I realized I could remain reachable as long as I do not answer question it with Greek written on his blog. हाँ, ये ब्लॉग भी दिया है बराबर, दिखेगा कि नहीं तुम्हें। ये दिया है WW, दिखेगा नहीं तुम्हें, बता दूं। HTP ऐसे लिखा के फिर शिवर ऑर्ग, जैसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं होता स्लो, बस चलो। I am glad he did not act on his first idea. His second idea is much better. I have emailed Rick myself in the past, and I have think what he does make a big impact on people's lives. What I am trying to say is that when someone asks you a question, it's okay to say I don't know. You can also say that to yourself. I'm often been too hard on myself because I did not have an instant answer to my personal problem. That does make you dumb. It's make you human. Why are we even afraid that people think we are stupid? It's the perfect example of slow thinking. Instead of following your distant instinct of I I will prove them. You can take a step back and ask yourself, why do I even want come across as a smart? If you are really think about it, it does not matter what other think of you. I think it's always better to take your time to think. If other think that make you stupid, they are the one of who are. No more quick decision. No more quick decisions. Shall we book a business trip to Thailand? Are you interested in a speaking GG8 Company X? Should we renovate the kitchen? Do you think we should fire John Doe? How about hiring another sales executive? Just a few questions other have asked me recently. And you know what, just I like to take time to think deeply about my challenge. I also take time to think quick decision through. Every time I said yes to a speaking GG interview on giving a seminar, I did not thinking about it for long. When things are in the future, we are more likely to say yes. That trip is planned for stem September. It's now March. That's age from now. And without thinking about it, you commit to a 5 day business trip of a family vacation. But when September come, you are either in a great profession flow, have other more important commi- commitment, or or are in the middle of something else. Now all of a stupid that quick yes from age ago in on your mind all the time. Should I cancel the trip? Should I go for a 2 day only? What do you we make think as a complicated? We can easily solve these thinking by just taking an extra day to think. That's all you need. Just think things are through. Know yourself. For instance, I'm current in a great writing flow. I do not feel the need to leave my city. I have set a routine every day and it work very well for me. I feel happy and I enjoy my life a lot. When I you go f- go away from even a weekend, my whole routine can be messed up. And when then I need another 2 week to get back to my old self. However, I do not always have this mindset. Right now I'm working on this book opening a book opening a new office. I'm working on this book, opening a new office, and buying a new apartment. I'm focused on a few important things, but other time I'm more flexible, and actually do you like to travel, visit friend, business partner, and live a loser lifestyle. That's why I know take more time to make decision instead of following my first thought. I say, please give me a day or thinking to. Please give me a day or two to think about it. That's all you need. Realize your mind. ये कल पढ़ेंगे, लंबा है थोड़ा इसमें। चलो जो छोड़ा था वो कर देते हैं कल, जिस स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक की हुई थी जिसमें। देखो मेरी पहली मिस्टेक हुई थी प्रोक्यूपिड। प्रोक्यूपिड फैंटासाइज ओमोश टवास्की ओमोश टवास्की डैनियल कानमन determine obvious notorious unfortunately figure out please concatenates keys clesize Friedrich Nietzsche penetrating इंटरप्रेटेशनल मतलब व्याख्या करना किसी का, मतलब आंसर देना, जैसे हिस्ट्री पढ़ाना। इंटरप्रिटेशनल ये खत्म हो गया। मिलते हैं कल। टाटा बाय बाय।